Walang bawal ba? Wala din dito, natulog lang din kami. Meron sa iba pero ano din, busy. Birthday nga ng kambal tahimik lang din. Oo nga, panibagong taon na. Buti naabutan pa natin. Lucky to be alive 'no? Yeah, thankful buhay pa tayo. Oh, wow! That's a lot of driver, bestie. Pata-pata. All your bestie inside the camper? Oh, nice. Oo. Ay bawal? Buti naman. Dito naman tahimik lang. Mas okey na 'yan. Oo, birthday ng kambal today, pero kumain lang kami sa restaurant ta's tapos na. Charge. Yes. No, charge anak. Hello, hello, Isley. Alright, baby. Okay. Busy. Oo, push na. Oo. Oh, dad, can you add more? I'm playing with baby. Okay. Oh, wow, she's taking a shower? What she's doing? Oh, banyo. Ah, okey. Thank you sa patamsak. Where you go? Oh, wow, good job. Wow, you know now how to put it. Oo, I like that purple hair. Oh, she need to sit down, anak. Oh, no, she can stand. Yeah, that's your camper. Okay, camper is moving now. Whoa. What happened? Why you grumpy? Tell Ate Dong, no, tell Ate Dong you're doing hi guys so she can tell you ma. What happened to your besties? Gilana baliktad so it doesn't fall. Your bed, put it